Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Quick steps in Outlook help users' efficiency by shortening the multi-step tasks they often perform in Outlook into a click or two. The default quick steps in Outlook appear in the middle of the Home tab of the ribbon when the inbox is selected. These default quick steps appear because many users often use them. However, you can also create your own custom quick steps for the actions you perform most frequently in Outlook. For many quick steps, the first time you click on a quick step, you are then prompted to set up the quick step by customizing its selected actions. After customizing the quick step, you see the icon for it appear in the Quick Steps button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. You can simply select your mail item and then click the Quick Step button to execute the quick step in the future. You can also create your own quick steps that contain actions that you choose for the processes that you perform most often. To create a custom quick step in Outlook, click the Create New Quick Step in the Quick Steps button group on the Home tab of the ribbon when your mail folder is selected to open the Edit Quick Step dialog box. Type a name for the quick step into the name field. Then use the drop-down below that to select the first action. Then choose any additional settings for the selected action. Continue repeating this process until you have added all the actions you need to the quick step. To assign the quick step a shortcut key, select one from the Shortcut Key drop-down. If desired, enter the purpose of the quick step into the tooltip text field. This text appears if you hold your mouse pointer over the quick step in the ribbon, reminding you of its purpose. When finished, click the Finish button to create the selected quick step and add it to the buttons in the Quick Steps button group. To manage your quick steps in Outlook, click the Dialog Box Launcher button in the lower right corner of the Quick Steps button group on the Home tab of the ribbon when your mail folder is selected to open the Manage Quick Steps dialog box. Your quick steps appear in a listing at the left side of this dialog box. You can select a quick step here and then click the Edit, Duplicate, or Delete buttons to the right to edit, copy, or delete the selected quick step. To reset your quick steps to their default settings, click the Reset to Defaults button in the lower left corner of this dialog box. When finished managing your quick steps, click the OK button to close the dialog box and return to Outlook.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.